What's up, guys? As you can see, we have Jake's beautiful blue 21 F-150 back in the shop. Last time we did the AFE cold air intake. Today we're going to do the Flowmaster exhaust system. I'm curious to see what this sounds like. This is 3.5 liter EcoBoost. This is a fairly minimum exhaust as far as exhaust goes, so can't wait to put it on and see what it sounds like. Here's the part number of the Flowmaster FX Extreme exhaust system we'll be installing today. This is one of the least expensive systems on the market. It comes in at just under $300. All right, here's a look at what's in the box. Like I said, it's a pretty simple exhaust system. Real small Flowmaster muffler, another pipe, an extension for the longer wheelbase, and some clamps. Should be a quick, simple install. All right, here's a look at the stock exhaust system that we'll be removing. You see we have a massive rear muffler, and there's also a mid muffler to remove as well. So we're gonna take these two bolts out. We're gonna remove these two brackets for ease of installation, and then we're gonna push it out of these grommets here, and it should come right out. And here's a look at the Flowmaster exhaust. As you can see, the muffler is way smaller, and the diameter of the pipe is a little bit larger. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the two 13mm bolts. Then we're going to remove the four 10mm on the exhaust brackets. All right, now we got the stock exhaust off. You can really see the difference in the size of the muffler and the length of the exhaust. It should make it substantially louder. All right, the first step in installing the new exhaust is sliding the flange up onto the pipe. All right, so we're just going to use the existing bolts we took out to install the new pipe through the flange. We're just going to hand tighten them for now until we get everything lined up, and then we'll snug it all down at once. Next, we're going to slide the stock exhaust bracket off and install it onto the new Flowmaster exhaust. Now we're ready to install the muffler onto the truck. So we have the muffler in the rear exhaust grommet. We got the bracket pushed back on, installed hand tight. We got the clamp here, and we're going to go ahead and tighten up these two 13mm bolts. Next, we're going to snug down the two 10mm on the exhaust bracket. And then we can go ahead and tighten up the 15mm on the new exhaust clamp. All right, that's pretty much it for the install. Super smooth and easy. Can't wait to hear it. All right, before we fire up the truck, we're gonna take a look at some of the other modifications Jake has done to the truck. He did a 2-inch leveling kit, but he was too impatient to wait for me to film it, so we didn't get to do that one. But then we got the 20x10 Motive Off-Road wheels with a -27 offset, giving them a real nice poke with a 33 1250 20 Venom Power all-terrain tire. right, here's a little sound clip from inside the truck. We're going to start it up first. Sounds good. Then we'll do like some low speed driving, and then we'll try to get it up to highway speeds real quick. Let's see what it sounds like with the windows down. Alright guys, it's giveaway time. Now I'm going to get a little ambitious. This is a subscriber giveaway. I want to get to 25,000 to give this away. So this is what you're going to get. It's awesome AFE tactical backpack with a power pack. It powers the backpack. The backpack actually has a USB and aux cord in it, and this powers the backpack so you can charge your phone while it's in the backpack. Super awesome. Next, we're going to give away the Topdon code reader. I did a review of this in one of my videos. I'll post that in the comments. It's an awesome code reader, color graph, does all kind of stuff. You'll be able to scan and diagnose your own check engine lights. Third, we have this AutoWit Super Cap 2 jump pack. I also reviewed this in one of my videos. It's an awesome product. It's a jump box, but with a super capacitor, it basically takes the smallest amount of juice from your dead battery, recirculates it, amplifies it, and then it's able to start your car with the juice that was already in your battery. So like I said, 25,000 subscriber giveaway. Now I have had issues trying to do giveaways on YouTube. I can't get a hold of the winners. So I'm going to need you to follow me on Instagram, because that's where I'm going to announce the winner. And I'll be able to contact you through DM on Instagram. So if you want to just follow me the day of and then unfollow me, that's great. I want you all to have the option to win this awesome prize pack. It's going to be sweet. So I'm really excited about this giveaway. 25,000 subscribers. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this install video. This literally took us like 15 minutes. If you don't have a hoist or power tools, you could do it definitely less than an hour. And like I said, this exhaust under $300, super cheap. Sound is pretty impressive for the 3.5 EcoBoost. A lot of people, say it'll never sound like a V8, and that's the truth. But for a 3.5 EcoBoost, it does sound pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for checking out my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and have a great day.